Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And we're currently in Toronto. Yes, I know I don't have my mask on, but don't tell anyone, okay? Toronto. Woo! If you don't sacrifice for what you want will then be the sacrifice. Your boy Samuel once again here, and I want to say you are great. Yes, you are great. All praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. So I just wanted to drop some value here today as well. You know I drop value for you guys all the time, and it's yet another day to drop some value here. So today what I have for you is, if you want to reach a high level of success, a high level of life, a high level of happiness, you should be willing and able to let go. Let go of past beliefs. Let go of limiting beliefs. Let go of friends that don't add up to your life. Let go. So many people try to reach a high level of success, but they are not willing to let go of their old friends. And it's going to be more or less impossible for you to get to that level of success, because you're trying to move to the next level, but then you are holding on so much baggage of old friends, past beliefs that don't align with your goals. And listen, if you realize that if things are not adding up, it's time for you to subtract all things that don't add up to your value. And let me drop this here as well. If you don't sacrifice for what you want will then be the sacrifice. It's your boy Samuel once again. Let's go. Click the link below if you want to learn more. If you want to move to the next level in how you think, click the link below. Let's go.